Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to talk about prepositions. What are prepositions, children? All these words in, into, on, at, behind, under, beside, above, over, between, they are your prepositions. And what are prepositions? Prepositions are those words which tell us about the position of someone or something, and all these prepositions are used according to the position of a noun. Okay, they tell us about the position, that how the noun is, a particular noun is placed. So for example, if you talk about in, so when something is inside, then you use what? In. For example, the cat is in the box, and if the same cat is sitting on the table, then you use the cat is sitting on the table. And why you use under? When you use under, when something is covering your head, then for that noun you use under. The dog is under the table. When you talk about a particular place, then you use at. To mention a particular place, you use at. Then when we talk about somebody who is standing between some two things, then you use between. Is placed between two things, then you use between. When you talk about something which is flying over you, above you, then you use above. When you are talking about yourself, you are mentioning yourself, then you use above. When you're talking something flying, not above you but something somewhere else, then you use the word over. Like for example, in this sentence, you're not talking about yourself, so that's why you have used over. The plane flew over the buildings. So all these prepositions should be used according to the position of the noun, and they can come in few forms. Like here you are given these options. Different options are given, and you have to just write which is more suitable according to the position of the sentence. So whenever you are talking about water, when you are talking about movement which is happening right now, then you mention into. When here they have just jumped, so Lily and Tom fell into. You will not use here in, you will use into, because that just happened, that action was in the movement. But when you talk about something which is already there, like fish, there are many fish in the sea. The fish were already there in the sea, they didn't jump suddenly. The action was not happening in the continuous form, so you will use here in, which was already there, so you have used in. It is not related that we are talking, whenever we are talking about water or sea or lake, we have to always use into. No, when you talk about something which is in the movement and they just happen, then you use into. But when you talk about a noun which is already there, then you use in. Then behind and in front are opposites. When something is in front of you, when I talk about something is in front of you, and when something is behind you, they two are opposites. Like this tiger is in front of the car, and this zebra is beside the car. When something which is just side to side, you use the preposition beside. So all these prepositions should be used according to the position of the particular noun. I hope you find this video useful. Thank you.